Fairy tales are more than just stories of magic, adventure, and happily ever afters. They are timeless tales filled with profound lessons, and at the heart of every single one, you'll find brave, inspiring female heroes. These are the heroines who have captured our imaginations and inspired generations of dreamers. So today, let us journey into their enchanting worlds and celebrate the incredible women who showed us what it truly means to be a hero. Our first stop is a kingdom where kindness is the most powerful magic of all. Here we meet Cinderella, a beacon of gentleness, patience, and unwavering hope. Even when faced with cruelty and despair, she never let the world dim her inner light. With her humble demeanor and a heart full of grace, Cinderella teaches us one of life's most beautiful truths, that kindness is a strength, and resilience can turn even the darkest night into a starlit fall. Her story reminds us that no matter how difficult things get, a kind heart will always find its way to happiness. Next, we journey to a quaint French village where a different kind of magic is found within the pages of a book. Here lives Belle, an intelligent and compassionate heroine whose greatest love is learning. With her nose always in a book and a spirit full of curiosity, Belle sees beyond appearances and looks for the good within. She isn't afraid to stand up for what she believes in, and her journey teaches us that true beauty is found in empathy and courage. Belle shows us that an open mind and a compassionate heart have the power to break any spell and change the world around us. Now, let's travel to ancient China to meet a warrior whose bravery became a legend. Mulan, a name that echoes with loyalty, selflessness, and incredible strength. When her family and country needed a hero, she answered the call, disguising herself as a soldier to take her father's place in the army. Through sheer determination, strategic thinking, and unwavering courage, Mulan proved that heroism isn't about physical strength, but about the strength of your spirit. She shattered expectations and showed everyone that true valor knows no gender, inspiring us all to be true to ourselves and fight for what we love. From a tall, secluded tower, our next heroine dreams of the world outside. Meet Rapunzel, curious, adventurous, and filled with boundless optimism. With her magical, flowing golden hair and eyes that sparkle with wonder, she is a true artist at heart, painting her dreams onto the walls of her tower. Rapunzel embodies hope, creativity, and the unyielding desire for freedom. Her story is a vibrant reminder to never stop dreaming, to step out of our comfort zones, and to chase the floating lights, wherever they may lead us. She teaches us that the world is full of adventure if we are just brave enough to seek it. Of course, the world of fairy tales is filled with countless other amazing heroines. There's Ariel, the mermaid princess who bravely followed her heart to a new world. We have Snow White, whose kindness won over the hearts of 7 new friends and conquered evil. And who could forget Moana, the wayfinder who sailed across the ocean to save her people, guided by her courage and love for her home. Each of these heroines, with their unique blend of bravery, kindness, and cleverness, inspires us in different ways. They teach us to chase our dreams against all odds, to face our biggest challenges with our heads held high, and to always stand up for what is right. From enchanted castles and magical kingdoms to the vast, open sea and distant islands, these heroines shine with a light that can never be extinguished. They are a testament to the power of courage, the strength of a good heart, and the unwavering determination of the human spirit. Their stories are woven into the very fabric of our childhoods, reminding us that no matter what challenges we face in our own lives, a little bit of strength and a whole lot of kindness will always triumph in the end. Thanks for joining us on this magical journey. If you love these inspiring stories as much as we do, make sure to subscribe for more magical tales and heroes. See you next time.